हेलो देयर एवरीवन। आज की क्लास में हम डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं अबाउट यूजर कम्युनिटीज एंड लाइब्रेरी साइंस। तो ये क्या टर्म है, इसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है, तो इससे हम क्या सीख सकते हैं, यही आज का डिस्कशन रहेगा। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द टर्म यूजर कम्युनिटीज। User communities and its characteristics. So what is a user community? User community is a group of people. We can say community means obviously it's a group of people who share a common interest, and that also in a particular for a particular product. Common interest for a particular product, for any kind of particular product, for any kind of particular service, for any kind of particular technology. Okay, anything in which you share a common interest. So user communities can provide a variety of benefits for users. So what can be the benefits of user society or user community? Benefits: information and support. That's the most important thing which the user community can help you with. Information and support. Now, user communities can provide users with information and support about using a product, about using a service or technology. And this can be helpful for new users also who are trying to learn how to use a product or a service. Secondly, what kind of benefit it will provide is that it will help in collaboration. Now, user communities, they can provide a forum for the users to collaborate with the with other uh, people on the projects or to share ideas also. This entire collaboration thing can help can be quite helpful for the users who are looking for help with a particular problem or who are interested in learning more about a particular topic. So definitely it's quite helpful. Thirdly, feedback. Now, user communities can provide valuable feedback to the to product developers and to the service providers, and this feedback is very helpful in improving the product or the service and also to make it more user friendly, because through feedbacks only we can understand what changes we need to make in the products and services that we have prepared before. Okay, now based on this we are going to talk about the characteristics now. Characteristics of these user communities. Characteristics. We all know that users come in all shapes and sizes with different needs and expectations. Definitely, all users don't have the same opinion or the same perspective, so they come in different shapes and sizes. So, it's important to understand the characteristics of the users in order to design the products and the services that meet their needs. So, some of the key characteristics of the users over here can be characteristics of users. So, based on this only, the products and services are made. So characteristics of users, first of all, it comes the demographics. The users can be categorized on the basis of their demographics, such as we can categorize them on the basis of their age, gender, then income, then education level. All these are the factors on which we can categorize the people or the users. So understanding the demographics of the users can help you to design products and services, and also through these you can target the specific needs of the users through which you can develop your products and services. Second would be motivations. What kind of motivations can be provided to the users, or through the users, what kind of motivations do we get? So users are mostly motivated by different things. If you as a user, if you go to a shop, you won't like buying the same old things every day, right? You want something innovative every day. So users are definitely motivated by different things. If you see colorful things, if you see different things, you will definitely go, you're going to buy that. Especially if I talk about clothes and all, you don't buy the same kind of clothes, right? You try to take different clothes from different shops and try out those, and you have trial rooms through which you can try out and then you buy them. You want different styles, you want different trends to follow. So some users are motivated by the need for information, while others are motivated by the desire to save time or money. So there is this section who loves to take information, another section likes to get information as fast as possible. They need to save time, they need to save their money. So understanding the motivation of the users can help you to design the products and services that appeal to the needs of the users. Okay, that is how the motivation works. Thirdly, experience. The users have different types of or levels of experience with a particular product or services or technologies. So some users are experienced users, we can say, while others are new users. Understanding the experience level of the users can help you to design the products and to design the services that are easy to use and understand. So once again, the target customer should be the users. So based on their different levels of experience, we have to design our products and services. So yeah, that was it regarding the characteristics of users. Now we are going to talk about the user studies, because we need to understand the users a lot. So user studies is kind of a study that we are going to do right now. User studies include a type of research. So it's a research work, and this is conducted to understand the needs and expectations of the users. Okay, so user studies can be conducted in a variety of ways, such as through interviews. These can be done through the various interviews, through various surveys it can be done, then through various other usability testings it can be done. Okay, so based on these, user studies can be quite fruitful. Now user studies can be used to gather information about many topics. Okay, what are these topics? Let's discuss about these now. We can gather information about users needs and expectations. Users needs and expectations, definitely users have some sort of needs and expectations, and we need to fulfill those things. If we fulfill, then if we can understand the needs and preferences of the users better. So user studies help to or can be used to gather information about the users needs, about what they expect from a product or from any service or technology, and this information can be used to design the products and services that meet the needs of the users. Okay, so user के needs or expectations को समझिए. Second, users understanding of a product, users understanding of a product, service or technology. Understanding of a product, service or technology. Now user studies can be used to gather information about how well users can understand a product, okay, or how well they can understand a service, or how well they can understand a technology. Okay, based on this information can be used to make products and services easier to use and to understand. Okay, that is how we can understand users' understanding of a product or a service. Lastly, users' experience with the product, service, or the technology that he or she is using. Users' experiences with a product, service, or technology. Okay, so based on this, user studies actually can be used to gather information about the user's experiences with the product, with the service, or with the technology. And this information can be used to identify the areas that need improvement, okay, in terms of users' needs. So yes, that was it for today's classes discussion. We are going to meet once again in our next classes. Thank you for watching.